You guys, I got a box. Okay, little bit of backstory. I was contacted by Total Boat on Instagram to see if I wanted to try their resin. Now, I've known about Total Boat since I started my resin journey. I had seen some other resin artists use their stuff before. Where am I cutting this? Am I cutting it wrong? I am. And I had initially looked at their website to, you know, maybe try their stuff. Oh my God, I'm so excited. But they make so many different types of resin. There we go. That's better for you. And I didn't know where to start. I didn't know what each one did. And that kind of thing. So I didn't start there. I went simple and did Amazon. So when they contacted me and asked me if I wanted to try their resin, I was like, hell yes, because I know how great their quality is from other people trying it or using it in their videos. Plus, it gave me access to someone who would know more about the type of resin that I would need to use than I do. So, I'm super excited to see what they sent me. I see they sent other stuff besides resins. The person who contacted me said that they recommended a couple of different types. So, yeah, let's, I guess let's just dive into it. I'm loving the little mixing cups. These are going to be so easy to clean out. Oh my God, how many did they send me? Oh, this is perfect. And I believe that they said that these resins that they're sending me are a 1-to-1 ratio, which is what I currently use. So much easier for me. I can't math. Fun fact. So, man, this is so exciting for me to try. Okay, so they do have it in ounces and milliliters on the side, which is great. So they sent some of those. Oh my God, the little baby ones. Oh, they're so cute. So these go up to 50 milliliters, it looks like, to that line. Nice. Oh my God, there's so many of them. Holy cannoli. And these are also going to be very easy for me to clean out because when I use resin, when I mix resin in cups like this, I always clean them right after using them. So that way I can continue to use them. Okay. Couple of mixing sticks. Awesome. Alright. Oh, let's see. So this is their clear epoxy coating for bars and tabletops. Nice. So I'm gonna try that out. I'm so excited to try these and see like what I can and can't do with them. Oh, and then this one, ooh, is Maker Epoxy. This is crystal clear artist resin. Okay, so that's probably closer to what I currently use, or close to what I currently use. So that's super exciting. Two part. Oh man, I can't. I'm just. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my God, they sent me a hat. How funny is that? Oh, I love it. That is so cool. Man, I feel like a spoiled, rotten little princess right now. Okay, There's more stuff down here. Let me see. Ugh. Ooh, bigger cups too. Oh, nice. So let's see. This goes up to 750 milliliters. Holy crap. That's bigger than the one that I currently use, which only does 500 milliliters. So, man, am I stoked. I am going to be making so much stuff in those. It's not even funny. Okay. Oh, my back's starting to hurt because I'm standing up and I have a bad back. But I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Let's see what else is in here. Okay. Put that box down and now I can sit down. I don't want to sit on the hat. Okay. Sorry guys. Ow. 1 second. Oh, the horribleness of getting old and having disc issues in your back. Okay, some more popsicle sticks. Nice. That's good because I was actually running out of this size. I only have like the small thin ones. A spreader. So this is something that you would use for like if you're spreading on a tabletop and stuff. So that's really cool. Ooh, stickers. Oh, sweet. Oh, that's exciting. Uh-oh. It came apart. But that's okay. You can just put them side by side. So that's cool. I can decorate some of my, like my computer and stuff. And then, oh wow. They gave me some mica powders. I didn't even know that they sold mica powders. That's really cool. So let me zoom you in here a little bit. Or a lot of bit. So we got black, pure white. Oh, that's pretty. Caribbean blue. I love that. Ooh, mahogany. Oh my god. Look at how rich that brown is. Oh. Battleship gray. Very nice. Oh, some vivids. Nice. Vivid orange. Imperial pink / reddish. Oh, that's so pretty. I hope that the colors are coming out for you guys too. Tuscan sunset. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. Liberty copper. Oh, I am so doing a geode with this. Cobalt blue. Oh my god. So blue is my favorite color, if you didn't know. This blue, I think my softbox lights are not doing it justice. It is so vibrant. Good gracious, that's gorgeous. Ugh. And then the last one is blue-green. Ugh. Dude. I am so excited to try this stuff. I really, truly am. I'm not sponsored by Total Boat, obviously, and I'm not an affiliate. So, you know, they just wanted to see if I wanted to try their resin. And I'm excited to try it because I've got, not very much left of my current stash of resin. So if this resin works out for me, then I am most definitely going to be ordering from them because now I'll know which kind to use, which kind is perfect for me. And, yeah, dude, I'm just so stoked. Thank you so much to Total Boat for sending me this, this sample pack. I am so excited to try everything here. So, those of you who watch my channel, get ready to see a lot of Total Boat resin videos coming up. Yeah, I'm just super stoked, and I just cannot wait. So, thank you again, Total Boat, for sending me this. I can't wait to try it. So stick around to the channel, guys, and learn Total Boat epoxy with me. I'm really, really stoked. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care.